From the PEP Radio Newsroom, we have this news from Washington, D.C. The Trump administration on Monday asked the U.S. Supreme Court to allow it to fire the director of the U.S. Copyright Office. The administration's newest emergency appeal to the High Court was filed a month and a half after a federal appeals court in Washington held that the official, Shira Perlmutter, could not be unilaterally fired. Nearly 4 weeks ago, the full U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit refused to reconsider the ruling. The case is the latest that relates to Trump's authority to install his own people at the head of federal agencies. The Supreme Court has largely allowed Trump to fire officials even as court challenges proceed, but this case concerns an office that is within the Library of Congress. Perlmutter is the Register of Copyrights and also advises Congress on copyright issues. Solicitor General D. John Sauer wrote in his filing on Monday that despite the ties to Congress, the Register wields executive power in regulating copyrights. Perlmutter claims that Trump fired her in May because he disapproved of advice she gave to Congress in a report related to artificial intelligence. Perlmutter had received an email from the White House notifying her that your position as Register of Copyrights and Director at the U.S. Copyright Office is terminated effective immediately, her office said. That's a news update. For more news updates throughout the day, subscribe to the PEP Radio channel or listen to PEP Radio on the Live 365 app, the PEP Radio page at paequality.com, Roku, and Alexa. From the PEP Radio Newsroom, I'm David Moore reporting.